This video tutorial I will explain how to create a timer whose associated thread may be specified to run as a daemon thread. Here I have defined a class reminder timer task which extends timer task class and provide implementation of run method. Here I have defined a class timer demo. Here I have created timer object. In timer constructor I am passing isDaemon as true. So the associated thread of timer will be running as daemon thread. Here I have created reminder timer task object. Then using timer, I am scheduling a task repeatedly. And here is the output. And if we make false, then here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.